Hey, Mr. Afton, what day is it?
Did you call me that?
Mr. Afton, what day is it?
Sunday?
And what day is in 6 days?
Saturday.
What are we doing on Saturday?
Kings Island.
Yeah. We're on the road to Kings Island. Yeah, we're on the road to Kings Island. We got this person, so we got this person, and now we got this person. We're gonna hope that they allow this thing on, otherwise I'm gonna have a lame vlog like last time. Yay, this is gonna be a fun day. Where are we?
Kings Island.
Yeah. Look at all this stuff over there. This is so huge. Friend, what do you plan on doing today?
I don't know, riding a bunch of roller coasters.
What's your favorite?
The Beast.
Nice. We're making our way to Diamondback. We're ready for Diamondback, right?
Oh, okay.
If you're wondering where the Diamondback footage is, I was told I couldn't bring the camera on as soon as we got to the thing. The entrance of the ride, so that sucked. Basically just rode Diamondback. I was totally not nervous at all, and was perfectly fine waiting in line. But I do have some footage of us going on the Scrambler, because it's better. Alright, once again, we are on the Scrambler, and I have this guy here. I'm not going to show your face, but hi. You're on video, so that's why I'm not calling you by your name. Oh. There we go. Oh, I might smush into you. Ah! Down into you! Ah! You sat on the wrong side! Ah, this is not optimal! Ah! Whoa! Oh my goodness! I don't know what to say. Ah, Scrambler! Yay! I smooshed into you. And you go. There we go. Ugh. The Scrambler used to be at Coney Island in Cincinnati, Ohio, but when that closed down, they moved it here to Mason, Ohio at Kings Island. Whoa!
Much later.
There's the carousel where me and Mateus filmed that one video. Not many of you guys saw that, but if you remember, then okay. So, we're headed to the bat now. I don't know if you heard me on the Scrambler, but we're headed to the bat right now, and it's going to be our last ride of the day. We're on the bat, and we're going to hope they allow my camera. I have a question. If this camera is on, like, strapped to my chest, like on a harness, is this allowed to be on the ride or no? No? Okay. Okay, well, I need this thing to come up then, because I can't get it off like this. They didn't allow my camera on the bat. You guys saw, I asked, but... How was your day at Kings Island?
Good, I passed out in delirium.
That's true. I can account to that. She did. How was your day at Kings Island? Okay. Right. Yeah. How was your day at Kings Island, sir? I don't know if I'm supposed to put your face or not, so you guys figure that one out. How was your day at Kings Island?
La la la, the fat lady has sung, we are going home.
I don't think she's fat, just so you know. I feel so sad. We're walking by Banshee, but it's unfortunately closed for whatever reason. We had a pretty good day today at Kings Island here. Would you like to end my video out, sir? Bye. Yep, goodbye.